Aidir, MVL Post Studio.
Welcome to this cup game. Should be a close one, but neither team will want to go out at this stage. Let's see how the teams line up today. They're going with 5 in midfield, 4-5-1 setup. Silva should have been too much to the opposition there.
Bonita, l'homme y parle espagnol. Bonita, 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 l'homme y parle espagnol. Bonita, bonita, gonti voit ton courosiol.
Fernandinho, good possession. Moving down the flanks here, this player is taking on the opposition. He's unstoppable with the ball. Keep with pace. Regains possession. Now De Bruyne.
Bonita, bonita, l'homme y parle espagnol. Bonita, bonita, gonti voit ton courosiol. Bonita, bonita, l'homme y parle espagnol. Bonita, bonita, gonti voit ton courosiol.
Infield.
Is
this a goal? Pulls the trigger. He got a good hand behind that. Inside.
This girl want a blessing.
And he's given possession away in a dangerous chance. And he hits it. He got a good hand behind that.
This girl want a loving.
Oh, determined challenge now. Striker's ball.
Bonita, bonita, l'homme y parle espagnol. Bonita, bonita, gonti voit ton courosiol. Bonita, bonita, l'homme y parle espagnol. Bonita, bonita, gonti voit ton courosiol. Bonita, bonita, l'homme y parle espagnol.
It's with the defender now.
Bonita, bonita, gonti voit ton courosiol. Bonita, bonita, l'homme y parle espagnol. Bonita, bonita, gonti voit ton courosiol.
Striker's ball. And it's opened up here. Shoots. Good save.
Yeah.
Oh, he did really well there.
MVL Post Studio.
Played into the box. Great chance here. Shoots. Great goal. And his teammates join in to start the celebrations. Great goal there. Here's a replay of that great goal.
Façon à faire la bonne plaisir.
We're back underway, but how will this team respond? This is Aguero. It's Fernandinho. Fernandinho. Fernandinho.
Bonita, bonita, gonti voit ton courosiol. Bonita, bonita, l'homme y parle espagnol. Bonita, bonita, gonti voit ton courosiol.
Not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more.
Ferme tes pantas, mets panta chula, mami bomb shot la.
It should have been too much for the opposition there.
Ferme tes pantas, mets panta chula. Mommy bum shot la.
What a well-timed tackle.
I did. Bonita,
Passed
bonita,
inside.
lo
That's
mo
good
yin
pick up,
pale español. Bonita, bonita, motiva.
Can he finish it? Shoots. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish.
Bonita, bonita, motiva. Cause you are my love, cause you are my heart, cause you are my baby, need you by my side, yeah. I did.
Surely all they can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems all over.
This girl wanna
And the referee blows for full time. They progress through to the next stage of the competition.